subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with us. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp on your PC. So let's get started. First, you will need to download the WhatsApp desktop app. You can do this by going to the WhatsApp website and clicking the download button for the desktop app. Once you have downloaded the app, you will need to install it on your computer. To do this, simply double-click the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instruction. Now that you have installed the app, you will need to launch it. To do this, you can either double-click the app icon on your desktop or search for it on your computer and click the shortcut to open it. Once you have opened the app, you will need to scan the QR code with the WhatsApp app on your mobile. Open the WhatsApp app on mobile, then next click the three dots on the right side top corner. Now click Link Devices, next click Link the device. Now you're able to scan the QR code. Now you are ready to start using WhatsApp on your PC. You will be able to send and receive messages and make voice and video calls just like you do on your phone. That's it. Now you know how to install and use WhatsApp on your PC. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.